In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resell Gohighlevel. Starting this journey into the reselling world of Gohighlevel is an exciting venture that not only offers you a unique business opportunity, but also allows you to provide immense value to your clients. With its comprehensive suite of marketing tools, Gohighlevel has been a game changer for agencies and marketers across the globe. And now you're about to step into this world equipped with the knowledge and steps to resell Gohighlevel effectively. First things first, let's navigate to the Gohighlevel website. It's where all starts. The user-friendly design of their homepage will greet you, showcasing the various solutions and success stories of current users. But we're here with a mission, hence our first stop is the login page. Look for the Login to App button, which is your gateway to accessing the platform. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Gohighlevel account to avoid any hiccups in logging in. Following this, the next step will naturally be entering your password. As a security measure, it's crucial to ensure that your password is strong and unique, safeguarding your account and the sensitive data within. With your credentials entered, you'll click on the Sign In button. This action will lead you a step closer to the dashboard, which is the central hub for all activities within Gohighlevel. However, security is a top priority, so you'll be asked to authenticate your login by clicking on Send Security Code. This extra layer of protection ensures that only authorized users gain access to the account. After receiving your security code through your registered email or phone number, you'll enter it into the provided field. This verification step is crucial for maintaining the integrity and security of your account. Once you've successfully verified your identity, it's time to dive into the Gohighlevel dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard offers a comprehensive view of your account, providing quick access to various functionalities and insights. To move forward with reselling, you'll want to locate and click on the Sub-Accounts section. This area is specifically designed for agencies looking to manage and resell Gohighlevel services. It's a hub for creating, managing, and analyzing the performance of the accounts you will be handling for your clients. The final step in setting up for reselling is clicking on Reselling. This section is dedicated to all the tools and resources you'll need to start your reselling journey. It includes pricing information, marketing materials, and other resources designed to help you effectively market and manage Gohighlevel subscriptions. As you embark on this journey, a few pro tips will help enhance your experience and success in reselling Gohighlevel. 1. Familiarize yourself with all the features and benefits of Gohighlevel. Being knowledgeable about the product will allow you to confidently answer any questions potential clients may have. 2. Utilize the marketing materials provided in the reselling section. These are designed to help you effectively communicate the value of Gohighlevel to your prospects. 3. Always provide excellent customer service to your clients. Your support will be key to their success and satisfaction with Gohighlevel, solidifying their loyalty to you as a reseller. 4. Stay updated on the latest features and updates from Gohighlevel. The platform is constantly evolving, and staying informed will enable you to offer the best solutions to your clients. Embarking on this reselling journey with Gohighlevel opens up a world of possibilities. Not only will you be able to offer a powerful suite of marketing tools to your clients, but you'll also establish a sustainable business model for yourself. With the steps outlined today, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Gohighlevel reseller. Remember, success in this venture is not just about selling a product, it's about empowering your clients to achieve their marketing goals, thus creating a win-win situation for all parties involved. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I'm excited to see where this venture takes you. Here's to your success in reselling Gohighlevel.